guys read the title. Today I am going to do a huge PR unboxing video. So I've seen a lot of these videos and I have so much fun watching these. So मैंने सोचा कि I am going to unbox all the PR that I've got for the past 2 months or so, and I'm also going to tell you guys sponsorship की stories because you guys love to know all the behind the scenes की क्या चल रहा है, क्या PR के पीछे story है, क्या sponsorship के पीछे story है. So I'm also going to tell you guys as and when I open things. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and we'll just get started. And I'm wearing the same top जो मैंने YouTubers pick my outfit वाले में किया था. And thank you so much first of all for giving that video so much love. Like I was not expecting that, but it felt really good because I worked so hard on that video. And yeah, it was just like really a good feeling कि आप लोगों को भी video बहुत पसंद आया. And because of that, I decided to do a mid parting. इसमें भी it is like a thank you gift to you guys. Alright, let's start with a very exciting PR that I got. Okay, you guys know that nykaa never sends me PR, but this time they sent me PR and I was really happy to receive these. So these are the K Beauty primers. So ये newly launched हुए हैं. So these are all according to your different skin concerns. So the first one is this yellow one that covers dullness, and second one is this lavender one that covers paleness, and ये मेरे top के साथ भी match हो रहा है. This is the green one that covers redness, and you have the peach one that covers uneven skin tone. मैंने ना कभी भी ऐसे primers use नहीं किए थे. So I actually tried the orange one and I also tried this peach one. मेरे skin concerns uneven skin tone and pigmentation के लिए ही है. You guys know that I have a lot of scarring and all of that. इनका काफी hydrating formula है, and when I use the orange one under my eyes, I'll insert a clip here so you guys can see कि it really brightened my under eyes. And उसके ऊपर जब मैंने concealer लगाया, it just helped to conceal the entire area so beautifully. My concealer did not crease also, and also it just gave me better coverage which I really liked. So I personally really like these, and मैंने इसको अपने पूरे फेस पे भी लगाया था because यहाँ पे मुझे acne scarring वगैरह भी है. Now I have not tried all of them and I'm not gonna open all of them. I'm gonna keep some for giveaways also. मैंने सिर्फ ये दोनों यूज किए तो मैं इन दोनों को ही रखने वाली हूँ. बाकी all of these are for you guys. By the way, they have launched, so if you guys want to check it out, मैं इसका link description box में डाल दूंगी. I think अभी उनकी कोई सेल भी चल रही है. Now this video is not sponsored by K Beauty or nykaa. They have just sent me the PR. मैंने इसको यूज किया, मुझे अच्छा लगा, इसलिए मैं आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ. Alright, the next brand, I've been working with them for so many months and I really like a lot of their products, and this was one of the big sponsorships that I got. Big as in the brand is a pretty big brand, and that is Loreal Paris. So L'Oreal के साथ मैंने I think first जो collab किया था वो था Lash Paradise mascara के लिए, if I'm not mistaken. And you guys, that was literally such a dream collab for me because I love that mascara so much. So they also had the sheet masks, hyaluronic acid sheet mask, and ये भी मेरे top के साथ match कर रहा है. Wow. So this is a campaign that they wanted me to be a part of, but I declined because I don't use sheet masks. You guys know I never use sheet masks. I'm pretty sure that these sheet masks are really good because इसका जो serum है, that is genuinely one of the best things that I've ever used, and that is why I wanted to work on that hyaluronic acid serum का जो campaign था. But because I don't use sheet masks and I actually personally just think that sheet masks are a huge waste, so this is why I did not want to promote something like this. I just feel like if you have that hyaluronic acid का serum का bottle, you don't need this. You can just use that and it will give you basically the same effect minus the waste. So I ended up not doing this, and same goes for their hyaluronic acid cream. Like when I use the serum, that is all that I need because उसके ऊपर अगर मैंने cream भी लगाया है ना, then it will be too much for my oily skin type, so it doesn't suit my skin type. इसलिए मैंने उस चीज को मना कर दिया. L'Oreal का एक और रेंज है, L'Oreal Professional Hair Care Range. Now again, I was so happy कि मेरे पास ये collab आया because this is something that I have been using for years. Now if you guys have watched my first smoothing video, you guys would already know this. So उनका ना ये Extenso Care range है. This is what it looks like. Shampoo, ये conditioner, ये serum. So they asked me if my hair is treated and if I would like to try out these products, and I was like, I already use these products because जब भी आप smoothing या keratin कराओ ना, तो आपको जो आपका salon है ना, वो आपको hair care recommend करता है so that अपने बालों को आप maintain कर सको. And ये hair care range ही I think most लोगों को लोग recommend करते हैं. जो ये L'Oreal का Extenso Care range है, ये बना ही हुआ है smoothing and keratin केराटिन वालों के लिए, लाइक इधर स्पेशली लिखा भी हुआ है केराटिन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। यू नो दिस इज द बेस्ट फीलिंग जब आप ऑलरेडी कोई प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हो एंड आपको उसी चीज का अगर कोई स्पॉन्सरशिप मिल जाता है तो बहुत अच्छा फील होता है। दिस वाज द नेक्स्ट PR दैट आई गॉट एंड आई गॉट दिस अ व्हाइल बैक, एक्चुअली काफी टाइम हो गया है। नाउ लेट्स टेक अ छोटा सा ब्रेक फ्रॉम द ब्रांड्स एंड मुझे एक्चुअली काफी ना इंस्टाग्राम स्टोर्स PR भेजते हैं, तो मैं आपको व्लॉग में इधर उधर तो दिखा देती हूँ, बट इस बार मुझे एक स्टोर ने इतना सुंदर एक ऐसे प्लैक टाइप का भेजा है। इट इज सो प्रिटी, सो दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक एंड दिस इज बाय द क्वर्की स्टूडियो, क्वर्की विद द K बाय द वे। दिस इज नॉट अदिति का स्टोर, ये एक डिफरेंट स्टोर है, तो उन्होंने ये बनाया है स्पेशली। दिस इज हैंडमेड, सो दिस इज क्वैकरो। मैं अदिति को क्वार्की बोलती हूँ, वो मुझे चैक्रो बोलती है, देन इट जस्ट टर्न्ड इनटू क्वैकरो एंड उन्होंने 2 भेजे थे, तो मैंने एक अदिति को दे दिया जब मैं उससे मिलने गई थी एंड दिस इज फॉर मी। सो दिस इज क्वैकरो एंड कैन यू गाइस सी, इसमें ना नेल्स है एंड देन नेल्स में से थ्रेड वर्क किया हुआ है। It is literally one of the most beautiful and most thoughtful things that I've ever seen that someone's done for me, because इसमें मेहनत लगती है बहुत ज़्यादा। It just says Chakro, Quirky, Food, BTS, YouTube Fan Fest, because that is where we met and I just think that this is super cute. So thank you so much Quirky Studio, and if you guys want to get something like this custom made then definitely you can go check out their page. जंकुक को कवर कर दे, या आई थिंक इधर ऐसे फिट भी नहीं आएगा, मुझे इसका कुछ सिस्टम करना पड़ेगा। द नेक्स्ट PR इज फ्रॉम skionn apparel and you guys know skionn is मृदुल का clothing line. So I have already bought so many things from skionn and she keeps on sending PR which I'm so grateful for. Thank you so much मृदुल. So skionn में ना she just released these tank tops and look at this you guys. This is such a cool ribbed tie-dye tank top and I cannot wait to wear this. This is so pyara. I wish I wore this today. And let me tell you, this is one of the best materials ever. Like this is high quality stuff. इसका जो ये ribbed material है ना, and even like the tie-dye quality and everything ना, it is very good. And she also sent this pink tie-dye t-shirt. I think मेरे पास ये already एक है, but it's okay. I have 2 now and I can wear 1 at home. Alright, the next PR is from Lakme. This is what the box looks like and this box is actually very cute, जो मैं इसको वापस यूज करने वाली हूँ। मैंने इस वीडियो के लिए इसको बचा के रखा था। So Lakme sent me their vitamin C range. This is what it looks like and then इसके अंदर ये है, वाह बंद हो गया, but yeah, you have 2 creams and then this is the serum. So I was the most excited about this serum. So I was really surprised when they reached out to me, but they have actually reached out to me a couple of times before also. So they also had their sheet mask का campaign जो मैंने मना कर दिया, then उनका और भी कोई स्किन केयर था जो मैंने मना कर दिया था उनको, but when they told me कि they are coming out with vitamin C products, that is something that really interested me because vitamin C is something that I already use and I actually really like vitamin C because it works really well for me. Like मेरे स्किन पे विटामिन सी के मैंने बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स देखे, so I was like yes, I will definitely want to try out the products first and then I'll let you guys know if I want to like you know do the sponsorship. इनका डे क्रीम भी अच्छा है but the night cream is a little heavy for me, but I personally really like the serum. The serum has worked really well for me. Alright, moving on to mamaearth. So mamaearth recently launched their aqua glow range. So this is the serum, this is the cream, this is the face wash. I haven't been able to use these yet because I was testing out other products and I decided to not do a video for them for this range. So that is why मैंने सोचा कि मैं इसको बाद में ही टेस्ट आउट कर सकती हूँ when I have like more luxury time. There is no particular reason why I am not doing a video for this. It's just like I'm just taking a short break from mamaearth. I feel like I've been working with them for so long. I used to work with them on a contract basis. तो पहले मेरे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं थी कि मैं उनको नो बोल पाऊँ because once you sign a contract then you're obligated to do a set number of videos, but I no longer have that contract with them, so I can say no to them whenever I want to. The next brand that we have here is cuffsnlashes. So they sent me PR and this was actually personally delivered to me by Nidhi. Thank you so much Nidhi. I have so many new cuffsnlashes के brushes. Here you go. And मुझे ना इनकी ये जो latest packaging है इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद है. I feel like they have just really amplified their packaging. Really like this brush. I can't wait to use this. This is called the F16. काफ़ी अच्छा फाउंडेशन ब्रश होगा ये. And then you have more here, you know, pointed edge, very classy packaging. And then she sent me the highlighter palette, contour palette and blush palette. So this is the cuffsnlashes sculpted and contoured chiseled palette. Wow, this is really pretty. Here you go. So जब निधि ये सब फॉर्मुलेट कर रही थी ना तो उन्होंने मुझे पिक्चर्स भेजी थी एंड आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. ये कितने स्मूथ है, स्मूथ लाइक बटर, criminal undercover, break your heart like that. Woo. Then you have the Cuffs and Lashes Just Say Cheese Blush Palette. This is what it looks like. Wow, this is also so pretty. I love me some blush. And abhi na I met Nidhi and I went to her store and I bought her chota wala palette bhi, I think 9 color palette, and I bought other things from her as well. वो मैं आपको किसी और vlog में ज़रूर दिखाऊंगी. I don't know कि अभी वो सारा सामान कहाँ है. Anyway, in her PR box she also sent me this Enchanted Palette. This is so pretty. I feel like this is one of her best packaging ever. Look at that beauty, you guys. Wow, I cannot believe Nidhi has come so far, like अपने first palette से यहाँ तक. Like this is amazing. You have literally everything that you could ever want. You have glitters, you have mattes, you have some shimmers, you have colors, you have neutrals. This palette is literally everything, and I know that she put in a lot of work in this. The formula is a lot different from her usual palettes. You guys can see this is so pigmented, so beautiful. Congratulations Nidhi. Alright, next I have some products from Vasquez. So पहले मुझे वाव ने ना ये argan oil shampoo and conditioner भेजा था, which I did not do a video for because I was already using this L'Oreal का shampoo and conditioner. Then they sent me the aloe vera range. So they have the cream, they have the face wash, and then they have this peel. And this is something that I was really interested in because aloe vera works really well for my skin and everything. So yeah, I've been using this and मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया actually. मैं इसका भी किसी ना किसी वीडियो में रिव्यू कर दूंगी. I know a lot of people just think कि यूट्यूबर्स को प्रोडक्ट दे देते हैं and then they just sit and talk about it. But ऐसा नहीं है. A lot of us voice our opinions. If we don't like a product, if we don't want to talk about it, we just say no. I have done it so many times. I've lost so many sponsorships, but that's okay. Like they come and go. Trust me on this. There are a lot of brands who will not take your no personally and they will come back to you with some other product because they have an understanding, and फिर ना creator and brand के बीच में एक अच्छा relationship भी बना रहता है. Right, the last PR box that I got is for a very specific group of people that follow me. So a lot of BTS fans follow me. I am also a BTS fan if you couldn't tell. Here's Jungkook. So this company called the Event Fling, they make different type of custom boxes. So उनका ना friends का एक box था, and then they also made this BTS army box. इतना प्यारा box है ये. This is so pretty and everything matches me today. Here you go. It's heavy. So ये ऐसे खुल जाता है, and then you have so many things in this box. So this is curated for all BTS fans and you can go buy this custom box from their page on Instagram. मैं उसका link description box में डाल दूंगी. So this comes in with this poster of all the 7 boys. ये थोड़ा pixelated poster है but it's cute. Then you have a pop socket and oh, then you have a photo frame. This is cute. This is what it looks like. I think if you scan this then Spotify पे you can play this. I don't use Spotify but I can definitely use this अपने background में. Another picture, this is Butter का, I think this was Butter का teaser picture. And then you have a t-shirt. Wow, you have a really nice black t-shirt. This is what it looks like and it says sorry I was busy loving BTS, what did you say? I really wish इसमें text नहीं होता. ये अगर सिर्फ ये होता without the text, this would have been a lot more cuter. But never mind, I'm definitely gonna wear this. I think it's cute. This t-shirt will be amazing for me because this is like the perfect oversized t-shirt that I wear. And then you have a zipper. Oh my god. Alright, so this is what the tumbler looks like. I love that this is black and it has this logo and then it says Anindita. So they asked me कि वो tumbler पे क्या लिखे and I told them just write my name. I am definitely going to keep it अपने बेड के साइड में. You guys don't know मैं इतना कम पानी पीती हूँ which is so bad for me. So yeah, this is going to be a good reminder. मेरे पास ना ये बॉटल है so अब से मैं इससे ही पानी पीऊँगी and this will be a great reminder and this is like black. So इससे बेटर तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता ना मेरे लिए. आई थिंक मैं इसको पीछे भी रख सकती हूँ एज डेकोर. वाह, देखो मेरा ऐसे BTS का श्राइन बन गया है. सो या दिस बॉक्स is filled with a lot of stuff and a lot of useful stuff actually. So yeah, if you guys are a BTS fan, आप definitely इस box को check out कर सकते हो. इसका भी link मैं description box में डाल दूंगी. Now I know that I don't get a lot of PR, but I'm so grateful for all of the PR that I get. It feels very surreal even now, you know. I have you guys to thank फॉर ऑल ऑफ दिस. विदाउट यू ये सब कुछ पॉसिबल नहीं होता, ये वीडियो ही पॉसिबल नहीं होती अगर तुम लोग नहीं होते. सो थैंक यू सो मच यू गाइज, एंड आई होप दैट यू गाइज एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. लेट मी नो व्हाट यू गाइज थिंक इन द कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अभी इतनी रात हो चुकी है, आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग यू गाइज. इट्स लाइक ओ माई गॉड, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 1 AM. कैन यू सी, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 1 AM. ये वीडियो मैं इतनी रात को इसलिए फिल्म कर रही हूँ क्योंकि कल मुझे ये अपलोड करनी है. सो या, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब बिफोर you leave, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.